Our top story tonight here at 10, Boise is taking a proactive approach to drought concerns with a new cutting-edge water treatment facility. Thanks for joining us on the news at 10. I'm Morgan Romero. It is the city's first facility to recycle water instead of sending it down the river. Aspen Shumper joins us in studio. And Aspen, why is the city investing in a facility like this?
Yeah, the new technology allows for more water to stay local and creates a drought-proof supply as the valley continues to grow.
It's a good forward thinking.
In Boise's industrial zone near Micron and the Wyncote Distribution Center, the city is preparing to build a game-changing recycled water treatment facility.
We're at a point now in Idaho and specifically in the Treasure Valley where we really need to be thinking how to better manage our water supply.
Steve Burgos, the city's public works director, says currently the city's two other water renewal facilities treat about 30 million gallons of household, residential, and industrial water a day.
We currently put it in the river, which is not a bad solution. We treat it to a really high level and it's good for the river, but that water then goes away. There was a lot of discussion about, well, why aren't we trying to keep our water local?
Right now, wastewater from this industrial zone travels across the city to the other facilities. But with Boise voters approving a $570 million bond back in 2021, it will soon be diverted and treated at the city's first ever recycled water treatment facility, expected to treat 6 million gallons daily.
We will have very advanced treatment processes, reverse osmosis, advanced oxidation, some really cool processes that then will take that very clean water, potentially offer it back to industry if they're interested in it.
Or, Burgos says the water can be sent back into the aquifer, which is the underground water supply that's currently failing in this area.
About 70% of our drinking water in Boise comes from the aquifer, so we think it's a smart decision.
Boise State civil engineering professor Sandra Miller says the new plant also prepares the city for future droughts that may come if Idaho's population continues to grow.
We've got more people taking an already scarce resource. I do think it's a smart investment. I think that it's building a future so that we can make sure that we can support what we already have and what we can potentially have in the future.
Just weeks ago, PCL Construction out of Phoenix, Arizona was awarded the bid and will be the one building the facility. Construction is expected to begin in 2027, and the city hopes to send out that first drop of water in 2031.
This is a really long process. It was passed in 2021, and then 2031 is when people would actually see it in effect.
Yeah, and they've been studying what that water and how it would be treated for the last 2 years. So they're really confident going into this construction starting in 2 years and really get this process off the ground.
All right, interesting update, Aspen. Thank you.